Hello guys, in this lecture we will learn that how to make your own Chainlit API. Basically we are going to mount our Chainlit application with FastAPI. So after mounting, you will be able to access your chatbot or application from your mobile phone or from maybe your another laptop if you are connected to same Wi-Fi router. It is our LangGraph code, and from here our Chainlit application code starts. If we add further code in this file, it will be little bit messy and it will be hard to maintain our code. So for Chainlit code, I will make another file, maybe chainlit app.py, and store my Chainlit code there in that file. It is our folder. In this I will create another file, maybe chainlit app.py. Here I paste the Chainlit code and import the mandatory libraries that were required. Here I import agent from app. Basically what is agent? If we come here on app.py, it is the agent that we are importing. So basically it compile whole the graph and store it in agent, and we are importing simply agent. Instead of app.py, I will rename it maybe LangGraph app.py. It is good, I think. It is my LangGraph app.py code. I don't need these two lines. I will simply remove it. If you want to take the screenshot, you may take it. And here is our Chainlit app.py code. It is the whole code. You can take the screenshot. If I want to check that either my chatbot is working or not, I will simply type chainlit run chainlit app.py, this file name, and hit enter. So it is running properly. There is no such issue. I will simply close it. Now we have to add the FastAPI code. For that I will make another file, maybe main.py. If we come here on the documentation, it says Chainlit can be mounted as FastAPI sub application. So for that we simply copy this code and paste here in main.py. I will explain this code in a bit. I will change this target from mycl app.py to chainlit app.py, and this path is fine also. It will work, but instead of chainlit I want chatbot. I save it, Ctrl S, and if we come here, it says you have to run it as unicorn main app host on this host, and port will be 80. I will copy it and paste here. So instead of 80, it is busy sometime. I will write 8000. It is saying application startup complete and unicorn running on this local host. I will simply copy it and paste here, and I will just simply type /chatbot. Here we are simply able to access our chatbot. If I ask hello, how are you doing today? It is running fine. Here we import FastAPI and mount Chainlit. Here basically we are mounting our Chainlit application with the FastAPI. So what does mount mean? Basically mount means plug in small application inside the big application. So small application is our chatbot and big application is FastAPI. In this line we are creating our FastAPI instance and storing in app. And in this line we are saying that whenever we type our URL and at the end we add /app, it will return this message. Message is hello world from main. So if we come here and instead of chatbot, I will type simply app. You see here it says message hello world from main app. In this line we are basically mounting our application. It is the big application and it is our small application as target. And how to access our small application? Simply we are going to access our small application by adding /chatbot at the end of URL. So this means our FastAPI is working fine. And how to access it in mobile phone, let's see. To access our chatbot in mobile phone or maybe in another laptop, first of all we need to check the firewall status. I will simply copy this command and type in my terminal. You see here, if it says inactive, then no firewall issue. So in my case it says inactive, so there is no issue. So if in your case it is active, you need to allow port 8000. To allow port 8000, you have to simply copy this command. I will copy it and you have to just simply paste here and run it. The next step is I need to check my IP address. I will simply copy this command and paste here. It says your IP address is 192.168.80.12. So simply I am able to access my chatbot by typing this URL and I will simply add /chatbot at the end. So before accessing on another phone, I will simply close this first. Here I am on my mobile phone screen and I open the Google Chrome. I type the simply URL and I type simply enter. Here I will write my username and password, that is admin. I know that. Now if we type something like hi, tell me about Lahore, Pakistan, give short answer. So you see here in log also, it is our human message and it is our AI response. So that's it for now. Now we are able to access our chatbot from our mobile phone or from another laptop if we are connected to the same Wi-Fi router. In next class we will learn about ngrok and we will learn that how to access our chatbot from maybe another city or another country. You may also share your chatbot link to your friend and they also will be able to play with it. So yeah, have a nice day.